Good afternoon, this is Giuliano from Giuliano's Garage Auto Sales out here in Orlando, Florida. Specialize in Chevy and GMC trucks and SUVs, and today I have something a little bit unusual for me since I specialize in the GMT800. Today I have a 2011 Chevy Silverado LT 4x4 crew cab, and this is for people that are not familiar with that, is the generation after the GMT800. This is the GMT900. Very good truck too. And this truck here is a Florida truck. It's a two-owner truck with 0 accidents and pretty much low miles. And it's a 4x4. This is what you want when you're looking for this kind of truck. And it's a crew cab, of course. So I'm gonna do my walk around. I'm gonna do my quick walk around as always, and then we're gonna go to the detail walk around review on this beautiful 2011 Chevy Silverado LT. And this one is cool because this one is it's got a Florida package. It's called Florida Edition. It's basically an LT with a little bit of upgrade here and there. This is I think was a dealer option at the time. I'm not really 100% sure, but I think it was a dealer package that they put on these trucks. Is the 20-inch wheels, the side steps here, and leather, if I'm not mistaken. But let me start with the body of the truck. The body of the truck is straight. No dents on the truck of any kind, not even scratches. So this truck has got let me see here. Let me do the walk around. You need to tell me if you find something that I haven't showed. Small paint chip here, some paint chips here and here. They're all been addressed or touched up. One small here. There's a small door dinghy here, very small one, and some paint chips down here and down here. Pretty clean truck. Flex fuel. Underneath is really clean too. And of course, 0 rust. We have some 20-inch Goodyear Wranglers Duratac on this truck. It's not my cup of tea. I like my trucks to be very smooth. It runs, it drives a little more on the rough side because of the tires. The tires are pretty good. It's just that the nature of the tire. Down here we have a small indent here on the bumper, very small. We have a leer cap. Pretty cool. It locks. We have keys for it. In the band here, it's not a truck that was used for work or any kind, or hard work. Small chip here that was addressed to. Truck has been running. This is just dirt. Very clean truck, very nice straight body. No rust. Tires are really good. The paint is really good. No fading or any kind. A small surface scratch here. Very small. Like I said, no rust. No door dings. Pretty cool truck. Plastics shine really well. This is a beautiful truck, beautiful GMT900. Interior is very clean. These trucks, they usually break on the handle here. This one is not broken. And also these trucks in Florida, at least, they tend to crack the dash really bad. Most of these trucks, the dashes are all in pieces. So they usually crack here, here, and down there. This one has no cracks with exception of this part here. And this part here is, you can replace this. We can try to find one for you if you want to, and I'll replace it for you. Very nice dash. 115,000 miles and 673. There's wear on the steering wheel up here where the ring sits of the driver. Does that make sense? All the buttons are nice. Some signs of wear here on the side. Other than that, pretty clean truck. 4x4 selector is down here. It works really good. Got a CD. Nice. You have an option to listen to your CDs still. And also you have a USB port from the factory here. Traction control. Cup holder is really clean. And also these trucks, they tend to have wear on this side where the elbow sits of the driver, but this one doesn't have that. It's pretty clean. And this one is cool because it's got a hidden compartment here with a key, so you can lock your stuff, your 9mm 38 special, whatever you carry. It's not hidden anymore because I showed you, but you know. Very clean carpets. Small little stain here, but it shows a little darker in the video, but it's not that dark. Very clean overall truck. Seats are nice, no tears, but there is signs of wear. The seats have been treated with conditioner, but in soft and, you know, to the touch, but there's no, you know, there's some wear, of course. Headliner is really good. No sagging. Back seat is very nice too. One small stain here. Very clean carpets back here. Even the tire tools are clean too. This door is nice and clean. Door jambs. No rust. Let me go down here and show you the underneath of the truck real quick. And the door jambs here too. Pretty clean truck. Let me go back to the other side and show you the other side interior. Let's start with the back seat. Back seat is very nice. There's a stain here. Please pause the video. Tell me what you think that happened on this seat here. These kind of look like sunglasses or something. Imprint or something. There's some kind of imprint. Maybe a bottle here. I don't know. Let me know. Baby bottle, maybe? I don't know. Please let me know. I would like to know your idea, your opinion about this. Carpet's very clean too. This side, tire tools. And that's the cool thing about this generation of the truck, that you can fold this seat and have all this space here. You fold it up and you have all the space here. The GMT800, you fold the bottom part up and then the top part down. But this one here is pretty cool. I like this. Let me show you the cup holder here too. Pretty clean cup holders. Let me show you the seat here. The same thing. No tears, but there are signs of wear on the seat. Original seat, and it's a light color seat. So Carfax, clean Carfax, no accidents, 2 owners. Always a Florida truck. This one comes with Carfax buyback guarantee. If there's you know, if the title has been rebuilt or reconstructed, or if it's a truck that's been in a flood or any kind of stuff, you know, like the odometer is not correct, Carfax is gonna buy back the truck from you. This is a detail of the dash. This is where it cracks. Most of the trucks that I've seen, they crack over here. They start over here and then, you know, it travels around, and then pretty soon you have a destroyed dash. This one's got 2 glove compartments, one on the top, one on the bottom. The bottom one here, you find your owner's manual. I have 2 keys for this truck. Pretty clean truck. This truck runs really, really well and drives really good too. And I'll tell you, it's not a soft Cadillac ride truck like the GMT800 two-wheel drive it is, or even this truck in the two-wheel drive. The four-wheel drive is a little rougher. It's a rougher truck, especially with these tires. But I like it. You know, it took me like maybe 2 hours driving it to get used to the ride with these tires. But then once you were used to it, it's fine. So this is the 5.3. No ticks, no noises. Pretty clean truck. So what's unusual for me to work with a truck with the AFM or displacement on demand, which this truck has, I'm not scared of them because the GMT900 is a really good truck. We all know that to find a crew cab 4x4 GMT800 with low miles, no rust, Florida truck in this condition, let's wait for this. All right, in this condition, it's really hard. I do find them and I pay a lot of money for them, therefore you're gonna pay a lot of money too. Unfortunately, that's how it is. I do have GMT800 4x4 coming soon, and it's gonna be tough on price. The second option is a beautiful GMT900, especially one that's nice like this one here. I wouldn't be afraid to buy this truck at all. 5.3, 6-speed, runs great, drives great, smells really good. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this truck, please let me know. Go to www.julianosgarage.com. My Instagram is JulianosGarageUSA. My phone number, the full Carfax, more pictures, details are gonna be on my website. Okay, www.julianosgarage.com. And please like the channel, or actually like the video, follow the channel, follow me on Instagram. I do GMT800. This is my daily driver. I keep on telling you all the time that I'm gonna do a video on this Suburban here. This is a warrior. But I'll tell you in a different video when I have time to do that video. But anyway, www.julianosgarage.com. Thank you very much for watching.